Got Teresa. Got her some catnip. I think she likes it. She never had catnip before. That's just the bag. It's not even open yet. Can I have it? I'll get some out for you. Hold on. Can I, please? Ah! Oh, it's slobbery. Hold on. Alright, now I got Callie in here too. Here. And she's still going nuts on the floor. There's not even any catnip down there. Yeah, just put it in the middle there. Put some down for Callie. Nope. I think you're going to have to make them. Cow. You got your own pile. Teresa, do you like it? I think Callie's enjoying it too. Uh-oh. We got a Callie rolling as well. And they have new favorite places in the carpet. I wonder when Casper's gonna find it. I do think Teresa definitely has the catnip gene there. Oh, don't inhale it. Are you okay? It doesn't go in the lungs, Teresa. Cough it out, baby. There you go. Silly catties. Callie's getting into it now. Can't see it, but it's like all in their fur. Hey, Callie. Oh, you can probably see on her belly. Look at that catnip. Riri, is it all in your fur? Ow. Don't bite. I like Callie. Whoa. We have the big eyes. Ugh, you drooled, your fur's wet. Yuck. Yuck. Julie kitty. Callie getting mellow over there.